Well, hello. This is me, the Fingers, unboxing this DJI Osmo Mobile version 2. This is a gift for my wife, and she make me promise, can you make an unboxing video for me? And I said, of course not. But you know, woman complaining, being annoying. So in the end, of course, love. So here we go. Osmo Mobile from DJI unboxing. 1, 2, 3, go. Here we go. Plastic that way. You know you want to rip this apart, but you don't do that. So here we go. Osmo Mobile. This one. Nah. This one? Nah. This one? Yes. Battery. And here it comes. What we've been waiting for. Ta-da! And this one, strap. Maybe that's it. Something in here. Is it something we need? Of course it is. A case. And that's it. So here it is. The wonder. What my wife been waiting for, begging for, hoping for, wishing for, and now also got the DJI Osmo Mobile Stabilizer. Do I know how it works? Nah. Do I know how to set it up? Nah. Am I a techie person? Nah. So this gonna be in another video when we I put the battery in.
Oh, it's battery operated.
Yes, it's battery operated. Maybe we should read the instruction. Now we just need a phone. Do we got a phone? Do I got a phone? Where's the phone? Recording.
I don't know. I'll find it.
This one goes up by the screw in the back. Like that. Wow, nice. Very nice. Nice made. If I was a YouTuber, which I'm not, obviously, this is a really well-built gimbal. You can really feel it's heavy and it's very, very nice. But YouTuber, yeah. Doing my wife a favor, yeah.
You're always.
But it is nice. It's like a handle of a gun. I want to shoot something. So my guess is it'll be going into this. Okay. You're actually not afraid about your phone dropping anywhere. It's very good. It's really well built. What a word. And then it should probably level up by itself. So there will be a handle here. Yeah. So much I can figure out myself. So now it's to that end.
Oh.
Now it's almost level. Wasn't there a base to it? Can you get the base?
What?
The base.
No, yeah.
It's a black thing. The base! Okay. I think, here we go. I will tighten the knot, so to speak. Done. And it's wrong. Is this difficult? Not really. Will it take a little bit of time? Yeah. But who cares? It's YouTube. People on YouTube, they got time.
That one.
Tighten, tighten, tighten. And I think that's it.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. But it's close to it. That's it. So now,
What's the purpose of that one though?
maybe there's no power in the battery when it comes out the box.
Yeah, normally.
Maybe it should be charged.
We'll charge that later then.
No power on the battery. So, later after charging.